Hey guys, this is Geeks Cars, so I've got an unboxing for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple wireless keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard from Apple. It's wireless, it's thin. I got this because I want to be hooking up my MacBook up to my LED TV, so yeah, I just wanted a good keyboard. So I'm just going to be unboxing this for you guys, people. $70, $70 for this. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna try it out. Here it is. It looks sweet. There's a keyboard. Oh, that stench. Ugh. A manual. Looks like it was used, but it's not. Where's the batteries? It said it included batteries. Instructions, I don't need that. So, I'm just gonna take this off. Put it aside. Here we go. How small this is. They have keys. Doesn't have the side keys, the side numbers. But it has expose, brightness, all this. Okay, so here we have it. I'm just gonna power it on. Pressing the power button right here. It's on. Let me just turn on Bluetooth up here. Let's have a new device. Keyboard. We have found it. Pairing. Guess we have to type this in. Turn. There you go. It's all set up. Here we have it. So there you have it, guys. It's the Apple Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So thin, so beautiful. Can't wait to be using it. I'll be using this with my PS3 also. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Look for more videos. Thanks.